The FOX54 Tower Cam Network, brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
Cloudy skies moving in over I-20 exit 195 this evening. Just the very start of the system we're starting to see, which is Tropical Storm Debby moving in from the Gulf of Mexico. So first rain band already starting down towards the south. That's Statesboro all the way down closer towards the Gulf of Mexico. So that's quite a large rain band moving through, and you can expect some showers this evening. 73 for our overnight morning low. Showers expected, and about a 40% chance of precipitation for those southeastern counties. Mostly cloudy skies continue tonight as well, but the big picture is going to be down towards the Gulf of Mexico with Tropical Storm Debby moving in. So you can already starting to see that low pressure spiraling and really picking up steam as it heads towards the coast of Florida. So that's pretty much Panama City over towards Tampa, currently getting quite a bit of this activity. And this is moving through as a tropical storm, but we're really expecting this to push through as a Category 1 hurricane with excessive storm surge off towards the coast. Now, that's going to remain off towards our coast as well, and that'll be anywhere from Savannah and Charleston. So definitely something to monitor the more towards the coast you go. However, we are going to be seeing impacts here across the CSRA. So the tropical storm is going to upgrade to a Category 1 hurricane and downgrade once again to a tropical storm. But the big picture here is that it stalls out pretty much across the CSRA and towards our coast. So that's going to provide excessive amounts of rainfall as well as wind gusts that could be anywhere above 40 miles per hour. So that's pretty excessive for what we're going to be seeing here in Georgia. So this is Thursday afternoon is really when it finally starts to become an extra tropical storm. Now the impacts we can see are heavy rainfall. We can see flooding, 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and hail is definitely a possibility with this system, and unlikely but still somewhat possible is a short-lived spin-up tornado. That could be anywhere towards the low pressure with this system, especially with that low pressure spiraling counterclockwise and with those temperature inversions. So rainfall already starting for this afternoon. You may have saw a stray shower or isolated thunderstorm. We saw that a little bit closer towards McCormick. But here's where we start to see really that the beginning of this system is going to be Monday afternoon. That's when we start to monitor the threat of heavy showers and even potential for stronger thunderstorms. Anywhere in the dark green, already heavy rain, but it gets even worse the more southeast you go. So that's going to be quite a bit of precipitation. You can see that's just dumping loads of precipitation across the CSRA. Definitely Bamberg, Allendale, Sylvania, Millen, and even Waynesboro and Barnwell. Going to be seeing mainly the excessive parts of this storm, which could lead to flash flooding potentials. That's anywhere into the red, and even that pink is going to be those very expected areas of where we could see over roughly about 10 inches of rain. So some of the things we say is turn around, don't drown. That means if you see water piled up on the road and already starting to flood, you want to turn around and find an alternate route, because even just about a foot of water can be enough to flip your car and create very unfortunate situations. So be very weather aware the next couple of days, and this even goes for the metro area of the CSRA. So that's going to be Augusta, Aiken, Evans, Edgefield. Still potential for quite a bit of rainfall associated with this system. So that expected rainfall starts as soon as tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Already going into about Monday 10 p.m. you can see an inch of precipitation already accumulating, even more down towards the south. We keep an eye on Rincon. That's the coastal area is going to be getting excessive amounts of rainfall. 4.39 for Augusta by Tuesday at 9 p.m. So Tuesday is going to be our really big weather day. That's where we see a lot of potential for those spin-up tornadoes, and that's even where we see the potential for the most flooding. 3.31 in Louisville, 7.22 towards Millen, and 10.34 towards Allendale. That is a lot of precipitation in a little time. That's going to be extreme potential for flash flooding and even just area flooding in general. So stay safe for these next couple of days and keep multiple weather apps on your phone. That's really important to have all of the different types of warning systems with these these severe weather systems. So 82 degrees for Monday. Now temperature is going to be slightly cooler as we head into the next 7 days, but you're going to see the biggest impacts with Tropical Storm Debby Monday through Wednesday. Then we start to get those pleasant conditions Thursday and Friday, and sunshine returns back to the forecast by Saturday and Sunday.